Hey guys, how are we all doing? So this is our Bitcoin DMT and Dominator update for the 15 and 25 minute time frames. So yeah, we've obviously got a bit of volatility here today, haven't we? So I said in my video last night, didn't I, that we were definitely going over 9k. It was certain based on what stock markets were doing, and obviously we popped right over there. So that was good to see. But yeah, so 15-minute DMT. I mean, it's coming up. It's at 8,200, but it's still a good $600 away from the price. Obviously, it's got to factor in volatility, the current high levels of volatility. That will obviously calm down at some point. Low vol leads to high vol leads to low vol. That's basically how it works. That's why I kept on saying. We've got a big move. We've got a volatility coming soon, just because volatility was so depressed. But yeah, so there you go. So we're waiting for this. Not obviously with this volatility, it will be a risky trade to take this DMT whenever we do hit through it. But because obviously you'd have to have wide take profits and wide stop losses. But yeah, we'll see what happens when that does. 25-minute Dominator for Bitcoin did take the sell. It did take the sell here, and that is obviously not looking to. I mean, if I look at this percentage wise, it's going to be quite large. Yeah, about 3% offside at the moment because the high vol basically. But yeah, so there you go. So I personally wouldn't have taken that trade just with just obviously the volatility we've got going on. Yeah, you guys that see my other video, you know that I'm trading on a smaller time frame now with the Dominator and some different settings. So yeah, so that's what's going on there. So Ethereum's going to be pretty similar. We'll get that up. This one will do. 15-minute. Oh, it's not actually. We've actually got a sell on the 15-minute Ethereum. So yeah, so it did take a sell. How far did it come down from the sell? Take a sell, and then came straight down for a 2.5% profit. So that would have locked in your profit. Obviously, it's coming back now. I mean, it's off. It would obviously you'd be out of that with a trailing take profit, but yeah, it's about 2.5% offside. But yeah, obviously altcoins are volatile. Well, I would say they're more volatile than BTC, but BTC has actually moved up high percentage wise than Ethereum. I'm sure Ethereum will do some catch up once Bitcoin finds a level it wants to stabilize at, because that's basically what normally happens. Bitcoin will lead, and then it will settle down, and then some of that Satoshi value will filter its way into the altcoins, and they will start to get a bit of a pump. So there we go. But yeah, you can see we fully pierced that line pretty strongly, got back above, and then only closed under it here. So yeah, we'll see what happens there. 25-minute Dominator. I'm guessing it's clearly going to have to be a sell as well. Yeah, yeah, this was the better time to sell. The equivalent point in Bitcoin was around here, but we did get the sell in Ethereum here. So I can tell you right now, this is going to be a very nice percentage gain, just because of the volatility that's going on. Yeah, over 4.5%. But then there you go, fully retraced. I mean, that just shows you what's going on. Just shows you the volatility of the market. I mean, it's good, it's back. With the setup that I have been trading today, it's taken quite a few trades, and almost all of them were profitable trades. So that was good. Yeah, you got to kind of adjust to what obviously the market is doing. But yeah, so thanks for listening, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research. Yeah, again, good times for Bitcoin. Interesting to see what happens here. Stock markets, which I know Bitcoin is definitely following, are looking like we could have put in a local top here. Look like we could be getting maybe a few days, maybe even a few weeks more selling. Maybe, we'll see. It's on tenterhooks at the moment. And then, I mean, I fully believe, I mean, you guys know, basically I just believe Bitcoin is playing follow my leader with the stock markets now anyway. I mean, that's why I was so certain we were going to pop over 9k, just because stocks were popping, especially tech stocks. You never know, there might be some investors out there that see Bitcoin as a tech stock. in a way, in a sort of fashion. It's an investment in technology, isn't it? In a way, maybe. But anyway, so yeah, a couple of other videos I've done today for you guys. I did a 3 commas full setup to set up how I'm actually trading at the moment, and then I also did a news one about how the 1%ers, how the elite, basically what they invest in and how they basically stay rich. And then I've done just a summary of the trades that I took today with the setup that I'm currently using, which isn't this 15 and 25 minute setup for the time being. Well, actually, it's part of this. It takes this into account. So I only look for buy trades and with my shorter time frames when this is in a buy, and the sell trades and this is in a sell. So this has just ticked to a sell. But anyway, so right, there we go, guys. I'm done. Again, not a financial advice. Always doing your own research, and I will speak to you guys tomorrow.